Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review of the Ang USA wireless doorbell. You'll receive the plug-in receiver unit, the transmitter doorbell button, a double-sided sticky tape for mounting, or optionally a screw-in mounting plate with a bag of hardware, and an instruction manual. This unit is basically plug-and-play and does not require any batteries, which I wanted because I don't like when the doorbell stops working because the batteries need to be replaced. You simply plug the receiver in where you want to hear the chime, and then attach the button where you need it, either using the sticky pad or the mounting plate. The receiver has two buttons on it to change the settings. The bottom button controls the volume, of which there are 3 levels: high, medium, and low. If you press and hold the bottom button for 5 seconds, you can silence the ringer, for those times when you don't want to be disturbed, like when it's baby's nap time. Just don't forget to turn it back on by pressing either button. The bell rang fine when the transmitter button was pressed, and the receiver registered the signal no matter where I plugged it in my house. The chime is loud and audible. There are 38 different ringtones that you can cycle through by pressing the top button on the receiver. Just note that when you unplug and plug the receiver back in, it will reset to the first ringtone. I'll play some of them for you now. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.